Yo guys, and welcome back by this new video here on the channel. And on this video we are going to discuss the XRP and Cardano price action, but not alone, because we as well have a special guest who is going to show his analysis on the market as well, because today we have Andy from Bitcoinsensus with me. Andy, tell us something about yourself.
Dan, thank you very much for having me on your channel. Absolutely amazing. I remember you last week was on my channel. My audience absolutely loved your analysis. So yeah, my name is Andy. I've been in the trading space and the markets since 2017. I got full into cryptocurrency in 2018. Started trading it and accumulating as much Bitcoin and Ethereum that I could, because I know these are the ones that are going to be the leaders. So yeah, I've been having over 4 years now experience in the market and trading.
Yeah, it's beautiful to hear. Let's go right away into the analysis and start off with
Perfect.
XRP, since you guys really want to be talking. Since you guys really want me to discuss XRP. Andy, let me see what your thoughts right now are on the market.
Perfect. Let's if I can share the screen here quickly, and let's go straight into the XRP chart. Okay, right. This is the 4-hourly chart on XRP. So I'm just zooming out. We'll zoom in into the 1-hourly chart now. And yeah, what we can clearly see is that we have like a huge round, okay, like an accumulation event right over here. A lot of people are thinking that we are entering a bear market, and I don't think so. I think, we've had a small cycle in the last 8 months, okay, here having like the blow off top. And then the bull trap was right over here where we had this massive pump. We didn't reach all-time highs, and then we had this massive dump. This is when the people get angry. We have the depression phase, and it's kind of an accumulation event, and we're breaking now major resistance, which is the $1.05, $1.10 approximately. I'm counting a few cents because of the volatility eventually. And this is where I have my box here, my orange box. We can clearly see that the $1.05 area has been a major resistance and support in the past. So we've had many touches here, as you can see. So we have broken this critical resistance, especially after this massive round bottom accumulation, in my opinion. Now, if you know about market cycles, everybody might think now that this is a suckers rally, right? This is the disbelief phase, where you have a run up and then you think that is it. We're going to have, the major drop entering a multi-year bear market. But I think, this is the disbelief phase where we are getting ready. This is one of the last opportunities, before entering in September and October, where we are going to see that massive run up, in the next coming months. This is my opinion eventually. I could be totally wrong. But as you can see, we are holding very nicely from this resistance phase, which is going to be nice support. It's been nice support. Now we are bouncing a few times. So if I go zoom in on the 1-hourly, there can be a lot of volatility. The good thing that, from this resistance, it does look like potentially that we are forming like if I get this low over here, we may be forming like a descending wedge kind of pattern formation here. It's still a little bit too early, but I think, it's going to hold very nicely. We might see a little bit of volatility around this range before we actually pump to the upside. So, this is what I think we should be holding very nicely. Maybe a few wicks below $1, I think is very possible.
Yeah, as well, it looks to be that Bitcoin and Ethereum is right now as well creating such an falling wedge. So, something similar right now as XRP is doing so. And generally speaking, these patterns are pretty bullish. So for sure, XRP, I've been pretty bullish about it, especially right now. Yeah, we have been cooling off. We were, of course, trading at $1.32. Right now we're back at $1.11. We even touched the $1.04. But we discussed this box as well here, and it's just important that everyone knows that this is just an extreme important level of support.
Yeah, it is.
What is extremely like to as well hold. So good analysis indeed. And can you zoom out as well on the daily candles and give your opinion about that?
On the daily candle on XRP?
Yeah, indeed.
I think XRP is very strange on doing analysis on the chart, because it's such a difficult asset to do technical analysis. There are a lot of kind of Bart Simpson or Batman patterns. You do see like these, you legs up, then you have this, sideways action, then a leg down, then again sideways, a leg up, then sideways, leg down. And you got it also here in the big picture. So It is, I think, eventually by seeing this one's a little bit of a rounder one, but, this, I think it very much so is getting ready to
Indeed.
actually break the all-time highs here.
And and that's exactly what I like about XRP. It can do things what other cryptocurrencies usually don't do in the top 10 at least.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
you want to be prepared for it. And it's indeed very hard to do analysis on it. But yeah, as well, what you can see right now, it's pretty interesting, and it can show us a lot of volatility like it has been doing in the recent days here. And while right now everyone is getting a little bit back into fear, we should be greedy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, now everybody's thinking now the dump is coming, we're going down, and I think we are just about getting ready to have that major leg up. So it can take a week, it might take a couple of weeks, but I think September is going to be a pretty bullish end of the month for sure.
I totally agree with that one. So we also prepared some Cardano analysis.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about Cardano?
Absolutely. Let's switch here to Cardano. Let's zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart, just like XRP. And what I've seen really interesting on Cardano, sorry, is that we're almost hitting all-time highs. We're about 40 cents away or 30 cents away from all-time highs. And this is also a really cool structure that I've seen. And this is a huge, massive double bottom scenario. Very volatile. Okay, if you zoom out on the daily, you can see it a little bit better, but I'm just going to show you here on the daily. And the $1.85 is also a critical resistance right over here. This is plus minus a few cents because of the volatility, but you can clearly see here some resistance there, resistance here also, and here also. So there's been 3 touches. Okay, we did have this blow off top, we came straight back down and may sell off a lot of volatility. And if I zoom in here on the chart with the price action that's what's happening in the last couple of weeks, that we did hit it as resistance, and then we finally broke out, and now we had a bounce here just at the $1.85 range. So anyway, the big pattern that I see here is a massive double bottom, and I haven't seen much people talk about it, or anybody. It's this this massive drop here, which would be like an atom bottom, which is a very fast drop and back up, and then you have the nice round huge accumulation, which would be the second huge bottom right over here.
Indeed.
Now, tell me.
Oh no, well, indeed, looks clearly like a double bottom, and even I have not been really talking about it like that. It's very interesting to see your standpoint like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's because we touched it twice here, but I think from this bottom, it's fine. You have a little bit of movement like this before you run up. So there's like a double bottom inside this huge bottom. So this has been the fast one, and this has been the very slow accumulative one. The measured move from this actually might surprise you, and is getting the bottom here to the resistance. As typical double bottom measured projection move would be taking us to the $2.70, which would be breaking the all-time high. Now, we do not know when this is going to happen, but maybe it might take a week, it might take a month. Maybe we'll see a lot of volatility here, consolidation.
But it already it already looks pretty bullish, since we of course first got rejected by this orange box, and right now we even successfully retested it, and we are starting to move up once again. So I mean, this looks clearly like bullish market structure. So it looks to be that we are going to see this price target getting reached anytime soon.
Yeah, exactly. If I zoom in on the 1 hourly, this is something that I was looking with, I do live streams also, and I was looking at this, we did create a kind of a descending triangle here with another support with a fake out area. We successfully broke out of it. And I was saying, it's very, very likely that after, breaking this support of this descending triangle, okay, it's very, very likely that we will get a bounce, at this $1.85 major support that we've been talking about. And we got the massive bounce. So I think maybe consolidation, maybe back down again, retest, potential fake out to the downside also is very possible. We need to get the people bearish, okay, before we actually go super, super bullish, because this is how market works. So we need to get the people scared before we go up.
That is exactly true. So this is also a lesson for everyone over here. So once you're getting scared, usually you want to be greedy. And that's also a famous saying from Warren Buffett. Once everyone is fearful, you want to be greedy. Once everyone is greedy, you want to be fearful. So it is as well in Bitcoin, the best strategy and the most profitable strategy out there. So I totally agree.
Yeah. So anyway, that's what I got for ADA, man, in the mid-long term and short term also. Yeah,
very good analysis. And for everyone right now watching here, you can check out Andy, his channel as well. Bitcoinsensus is right now as well in the highest link in the description. He's doing live streams as well. He's doing daily analysis, and he gives his thoughts about Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly. And can you tell me something more about your channel as well?
Yeah, well, we basically do analysis every single day on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I might get some altcoins. You know, a lot of people in the comment sections sometimes say, "Can you check out XRP, ADA, or some other cryptocurrencies?" And yeah, and I also do live streams. I do like 3, 4, maybe 5 live streams every week. So I connect with the community, so they can tell me what favorite crypto they would like to see.
That's very nice to hear. So make sure to check out this channel as well, guys. My camera is getting a little bit blurry. I don't know why, but thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to check out this channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.